Hello everyone. More blessed birthdays to come. Happy birthday, Esmer.
Happy birthday, ate. Wala, may sakit ako ngayon, kaya wala akong masyadong masasabi. Lalagnat ako.
Happy birthday, te. We pray na maraming birthday ka pa ulit na isi-celebrate.
Happy birthday, ate. Wish you good health, long life, and more birthdays to come. Love you.
So hello Tita Mami, today is your day. Una-una gusto kong mag-thank you sa'yo sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo para sa amin lahat. Di mo lang siguro napapansin, pero siguro hindi rin namin masyado na ipapakita, pero alam mo naman na deep inside sa amin, lahat sa amin magpipinsan sa buong family, na-appreciate namin ng sobra lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin. Take good care of yourself, enjoy retirement. So yun lang. I wish you all the best. Take care of your health. Sa mga pinsan ko dyan, pakialagaan si Tita Mami. Thank you. Also, wag masyadong bigyan ng sakit ng ulo si Tita. So yun lang. Thank you so much ulit sa lahat-lahat, and we really appreciate you, Mami. We love you. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy 70th birthday, Tita Mami. We wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Lola Mommy. I love you. Lola Mommy. I love you. Happy birthday. Toyo! Toyo!
Enjoy your anniversary, Lola Mommy. I love you. I miss you.
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthday to come and good health. See you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Mami. Lagi niyo pong iingatan yung sarili niyo. Lagi niyo pong alagaan yung sarili niyo. See you soon po. Happy birthday.
Hi Lola Esmer. Happy birthday po. Sorry again we couldn't come, pero we're wishing you well. Hopefully amazing ang inyong celebration, and hoping for many more birthdays to come. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Lola Esmer. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day po.
Hi Lola Mami. Gusto ko lang po ibatiin ng happy birthday. At sana maging masaya po kayo. At sana pagpalain po kayo ng mabuting buhay at kalusugan at mabang buhay. Mahal po namin kayo. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Lola Mami. Salamat po sa mga memories tsaka sa alaga po sa akin nung bata pa po ako. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lola Mommy. Love you. Thank you for the love and guidance. Love you always. Enjoy your day. Thank you. I thank you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Whoa. Yay!
You sing happy birthday. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to Happy birthday to Happy birthday. Let's sing happy birthday.